The majestic eagle, king of the skies and a symbol of strength. The eagle. A creature that has ruled the skies for millions of years. A true symbol of freedom, power, and vision. Across continents and cultures, the eagle has inspired legends, myths, and national pride. But what makes the eagle so special? Why has this bird become an icon of strength and courage throughout history? Let's take a journey into the world of the eagle, a bird whose story is as vast and powerful as the skies it commands. Eagles are among the largest birds of prey in the world. With wingspans that can reach up to 2.5 meters, they glide effortlessly through the air, surveying their territory with eyes sharper than any human could imagine. An eagle's vision is nearly 5 times better than ours. From soaring heights, it can detect the slightest movement of a rabbit, fish, or snake far below. This incredible eyesight is one of the key reasons eagles are such efficient hunters. But it's not just their vision. Eagles are built for dominance. Their powerful talons exert a grip strong enough to crush bones. Their sharp, hooked beaks can tear through flesh with ease. When an eagle locks onto its prey, there is almost no escape. There are over 60 species of eagles found around the world. From the mighty bald eagle of North America to the fierce harpy eagle of South America, each species has adapted to thrive in its unique environment. The golden eagle, known for its speed and strength, is revered across Europe and Asia. In Mongolia, trained golden eagles hunt alongside humans, a tradition passed down through generations. In Africa, the African fish eagle's haunting call echoes across lakes and rivers, earning it the title, the Voice of Africa. Eagles are not only apex predators but also symbols deeply woven into human culture. In ancient Egypt, the eagle was associated with the sun god Ra, representing divine power. The Romans carried the eagle standard into battle as a sign of imperial might. Today, the eagle remains a global emblem of freedom, courage, and resilience. It appears on national flags, military insignias, and currencies. In the United States, the bald eagle stands proudly as the national bird, representing liberty and strength. And in Turkey, the eagle has a special place in the hearts of millions. The eagle is the proud symbol of Beşiktaş, one of Turkey's most beloved football clubs. Nicknamed the Black Eagles, Beşiktaş embodies the spirit of determination, pride, and unity. For fans, including myself, the soaring eagle is more than just a mascot, it's a reflection of passion and unwavering loyalty. Beyond symbols and sports, eagles lead fascinating lives in the wild. They are known for their loyalty, often mating for life. Together, eagle pairs build massive nests, some of which are reused and expanded every year. These nests can weigh hundreds of kilograms and measure over 2 meters across. Eagles are also incredibly territorial. They fiercely protect their domain, ensuring that no rival intrudes upon their hunting grounds. One of the most breathtaking sights in nature is an eagle in flight. With powerful wing beats, they ascend to incredible heights, riding thermal currents for hours without flapping their wings. From these heights, they observe everything, patient and calculating. When the moment is right, they dive. This hunting dive, known as a stoop, can reach speeds over 160 kilometers per hour. In a matter of seconds, the eagle strikes with deadly precision. Yet, despite their power, eagles face many threats today. Habitat destruction, pollution, and illegal hunting have pushed some species to the brink of extinction. The bald eagle, once endangered, has made a remarkable recovery thanks to conservation efforts, but many other species are still at risk. Protecting these majestic birds is not just about saving a species, it's about preserving a symbol of nature's grandeur and resilience. The eagle's story is a reminder of what it means to rise above challenges, to see further than others, and to embrace freedom with strength and grace. Whether soaring above mountain peaks, gliding over rivers, or inspiring millions as a symbol of pride, the eagle remains a timeless icon. So, the next time you see an eagle, whether in the wild, on a flag, or representing Beşiktaş on the football field, remember the legacy it carries. A legacy of power. A legacy of freedom. A legacy of the skies. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of eagles. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible wildlife documentaries. This is Noah's Ark Uncovered, bringing you closer to the wonders of nature.